Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking down access. Set a strong PIN or password and enable biometrics. Once done, reduce location exposure by turning off app-level location sharing and precise GPS. Make sure your operating system is fully updated to close known vulnerabilities and install a trusted VPN to hide network-level identifiers. You'll do these immediately. They stop casual tracking now. The why is simple. Locks block physical access, permissions limit data flows, and updates plus a VPN reduce remote fingerprinting risks. Next, you audit and tighten app permissions. Revoke background location, microphone, and nearby device access for apps that don't need them. Once complete, control radio exposure, toggle airplane mode, or disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when you don't need connectivity. Make sure to set Bluetooth to non-discoverable and forget unused pairings to prevent proximity tracking. Also, prefer the VPN over public Wi-Fi and consider a burner SIM or secondary device for sensitive use. These steps reduce both software and To finish, review persistent services like Find My Phone, disable or limit them when not needed, and remove device links before transferring ownership. Once done, add layers. Use strong passwords for accounts and enable two-step verification. Make sure to test the phone after each change to confirm functionality. If you suspect persistent tracking, you'll first look for unfamiliar apps or profiles, reset network settings, and if necessary, perform a factory reset. One troubleshooting tip. If tracking persists after reset, the threat may be SIM-based or hardware. Consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.